Oh, buddy. Yeah, look, it spins. Look. It's spinning. Spinning. You spin it? You just want to eat it. Look, it's moving. Oh, sit up. Will that make you feel better?
And sometimes you have to remove false friends. I mean, even between people in Arabic, it's like that too.
Can I see Mama?
Yeah. I'm just taking a video of him playing with that. Caleb, say hi.
Hi. Do you want me to take off his hat? Do you want me to take off his hat?
No, that's okay. Oh, don't pretend to shoot him, okay? You can go play though with
It doesn't work.
I know, but it's still not nice to do that.